Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an American Express account. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser, search for American Express, and then go to americanexpress.com. Inside, look at the top right corner of the homepage to click on Login. This will open the main login panel. Since you are setting up a new profile, look right below the username box and click on the link labeled Create New Online Account to reach the enrollment portal. To register, you must have an active physical American Express card handy. Type your 5-digit card number and the 4-digit card ID printed directly on the front of your card, then click Confirm. Next, you will move to the configuration step where you need to verify your identity. Input your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and home address. Once verified, create a unique user ID and a secure password. Finally, review all your details on the final summary page and click Submit to activate your dashboard. So that's basically how you can create an American Express account. That's it for this video. Thanks!